Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to redeem a code in EA Sports FC Mobile game. If you're wondering how to redeem a code in EA Sports FC Mobile, then the process is quite easy. Go ahead and open up any web browser on your device, and once you open it up, go to the search bar at the top and type in redeem.fcm.ea.com and search. You'll then end up in this page over here. In order to redeem your codes, you must be logged into EA account first. Go ahead and click on the EA account option on the right side. And once you're logged in, go to the redemption code box and enter your redemption code in the text box. I'm just typing in some random letters over here, but make sure to enter the redemption code correctly that you have in the text box and click on redeem in green. If your code is correct, you will be able to redeem it successfully. Then you can go open up your FC Mobile game, and then you need to go to your in-game mailbox and check your rewards. So that is how you can claim your rewards quickly and easily in EA Sports FC Mobile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.